Right, so if you are brand new to affiliate marketing or make money online and you are looking for the best product that you can promote online and earn consistent income, you should be promoting Leadsleap, right? Now, the reason why I highly recommend Leadsleap is this. This is an autoresponder, okay? It is an autoresponder and is more. So that means that if you promote this product, you will continue to earn income for the very, very long time. Literally for life, because everybody who wants to make money online must have an autoresponder. So if you are promoting an autoresponder, you are promoting the products that will continue to earn you income every month and for life. So that gives you almost guaranteed income for life. All right. Now let me show you the way that I'm getting a lot of referrals and how I'm making money with this Leadsleap system. All right. So let's go to my Gmail account. So you can even see right now, I've just gotten a Leadsleap referral. That's what I'm talking about. So let's go to my Gmail. This is my Gmail account. So you can see my name there. You can see my face. Okay. So let's do a little search. And then you see the way I get referrals every day, just like I got right now. Can you see? So you can see Leadsleap referrals today 7, 4, 6, 3, 3. Can you see all the referrals that I used to get every day? Because I know and I'm promoting this awesome product. And I'm going to explain a lot more about this product to you right now. So look at the number of referrals, okay? This is why you should be promoting Leadsleap if you want to earn monthly recurring income. Now let's go to my Leadsleap account. So this is my Leadsleap account. Let me click on that. So you can see my name there. You can see I'm a pro member of Leadsleap. So this is my account. Now let's go on and check the commissions. Awesome. Now look at this. Can you see the date? This is 16th today. I got a commission today. Look at yesterday, I got commission. And look at how many people have already upgraded in Leadsleap under me, and I'm making a lot of money. So you can see that. And these commissions, they are monthly commissions, right? So they don't just it's not just now. I will keep on earning this commission month after month, literally for as long as they remain using this autoresponder. And like I told you, many of them will continue to use the autoresponder because there is no marketer that will be able to make money online if they don't have an autoresponder. So that is why you need to promote this particular tool so that you too will earn consistent income online. Powerful, right? Now, the question you'll be asking me right now is this: Victor, what is this Leadsleap? That's for people who don't know what Leadsleap, right? So now, Leadsleap, like I told you, is an autoresponder, okay? An email autoresponder is a tool that builds your email list and sends out automatic emails. That's the job of an autoresponder, right? It builds your email list and then it sends out automatic emails on your behalf every day. And that's why I told you, anybody trying to make money online that does not have an autoresponder is a joker. So everybody literally needs Leadsleap. That's what it means, right? So that's powerful, very, very powerful. So this is a tool that every marketer, everybody, not only marketer, anybody trying to make money online must have, because you must have a system that automatically follows up with your customers and closes your sale. And that is why I love this system, because that is why I love Leadsleap, right? So Leadsleap is an autoresponder. Number 2 is an email marketing and follow-up system, which automates every business in the world. Number 3 is also a website page builder, okay? So you can use the Leadsleap system to build any website of your choice for any business of your choice. Leadsleap is also a free advertising platform. So if you are a pro member of Leadsleap, just like me, okay? As a pro member, you will have access to free guaranteed traffic. Okay, so just come down here. You see, when you are in your Leadsleap account, come down to where it says post pro ad, click on it, and you will see all these ads that I have posted. 10 of them, because I'm a pro member, and for you to succeed with Leadsleap, you must be a pro member, okay? So you can see all the 10 ads that I already have, and you can see already I've generated over 10,000 visitors to my link. That is a lot. That's a lot, and that brings a lot of money. And you can see this is only for pro members of Leadsleap. So you get that when you become a pro member, and then you also earn 50% monthly recurring income as a Leadsleap Pro member. 50%. And that is what I call income for life. Just like I told you, because any business that you have that uses the autoresponder of Leadsleap, they will not cancel their account for the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So because they will keep their account, because all online business need an autoresponder, you will continue to earn those commissions every day for life. So imagine, let's say you are able to bring in 10, let's say you are okay, let's start with 10. You bring in 10 people today. That means you will be able to get you will be able to earn over $100 every month, right? If you bring in 100 people, that automatically means you make $1,000 minimum every month. If you are able to bring in 200 people, $2,000 every month. 300 people, $3,000 every month. And just continue. Let's say 500 people, $5,000 every month. 1,000 people to start using this tool. That means you will be earning $10,000 every month. And that is why I am here promoting this product, because I have given myself the challenge to get to $10,000 every month with this system. Guys, it's powerful. So if you want to join Leadsleap, it's free to join, okay? Now, immediately you join, you quickly upgrade to Pro, because it costs only $27 per month, so that you will be able to earn those 50% commissions, okay? And with only 2 people joining you, that means your Leadsleap account is free, and you can see the large number of people that joined me. So if you want to join Leadsleap right now, go below this video you are watching, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join Leadsleap affiliate system. Go ahead, click that first link. So once you click the first link, that will bring you to this page, okay? And then once you get to this page, you can join Leadsleap for free, okay? But for you to get the benefit of an autoresponder, email marketing system, get free traffic, and earn 50% commission, you must immediately upgrade to pro. Okay, that is very important. So make sure immediately you join Leadsleap, upgrade to pro, and then you come to your account just like this. Okay, once you are in your account, you can see my own account. I am a pro member, so make sure you upgrade to pro so that you will get all the benefits. You get the free traffic, and you'll be able to earn 50% monthly recurring commission. Then this is where you find your affiliate link. So just scroll down, you will see affiliate links. Okay, so you click on that, and this is your home page. You see, that's going to be your link, and that's the link that you are going to give to anybody that want to join you with Leadsleap. All right. Now, for those of you who join me in Leadsleap right now, if you join my team, I am giving out up to how many? Is it 7 free bonuses? 7 free bonuses. Let me show you those bonuses. Now, you are going to get all these bonuses if you join me in Leadsleap and you upgrade to Pro, okay? Now, these are the 7 bonuses. You are going to get free 1,300 email swipes. You are going to get classified ad headlines. You are going to get classified ad body. You are going to get 200 pre-written ads that you can post on Facebook. You are going to get 50 pre-made images that you can post on Facebook. You're also going to get my 4 best traffic source is a video. You watch the video and learn how to generate a lot of traffic to bring to your Leadsleap account. And then you're also going to get free Leadsleap training course, a complete course that show you how to use Leadsleap. You are going to get all this from me. Just look at some of the images that I am talking about. Look at those images you are getting from me. So all you need to do, just post them on Facebook. That's all. And use them to generate a lot of traffic that you will now be able to send to your Leadsleap link. So guys, this is powerful. Very, very powerful, right? So if you are ready right now, and you want to join my team, just go below this video, click that first link and join my team. All right. And if you have any question, go ahead, leave it in the comment section. All right. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.